In this video, I'm going to show you how you can chat with Epic Games support. I'm on a PC, but you can also do this on an iPhone or Android. So the first thing is to head over to your browser, and in the address field you want to type Epic Games/help. And inside here you want to find the topic that you need help with. So as you can see here, you can scroll and find what topic you want a solution on. Let's say we have trouble with Fortnite. So let's just click Fortnite. And then you want to scroll down to contact us at the bottom. And inside here you want to fill out all the required info. So let's just say PlayStation, Fortnite, and then contact reason, refund. I bought V-Bucks by mistake, can I get a refund? Or something along those lines. Depends what you want help with. And then you want to scroll down, and as you can see here, we down here have the option of start a live chat. But as you can see now, it says sorry, no agents are available to chat right now. So to do this, you have to wait or for a agent to be available, or you can submit an email request. So this is how you can chat with Epic Games support. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.